shit like the drum hip work. I can say it so
Poppin' shit, you would think I went to school for chiropractic. Looking good as hell today, just sent my nigga 5 attachments. Why'd you come?
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so for today's video, we're doing it vloggy style. I'm actually gonna do a little chit chat while I get ready for work, and just tell you things, tell you how I'm living, chit chatting, talking to my audience. How y'all people living? How y'all doing? What's up? What's the tea? Tell me. Well, I just want to start. Well, I'm moisturizing my face, as you guys can see. I just want to start this video off by saying Happy New Year! We made it. It was a difficult 2022. At least for me, it was very much a shit show. Yes. So. I'm glad to be in 2023. I'm glad I made it. It wasn't like so terrible, but at the same time, it kind of was so terrible, I wasn't where I wanted to be financially, my job, my relationship, dating, all that jazz. So it was a lot for you, girl, but I'm here. It's 2023. We got new energy. I'm feeling new and just feeling much better than I was feeling in 2022. Yeah, so literally, yes. So it's definitely new year, new me vibes. I know people are, new year, new me, but it really is new year, new me. Cause I just feel like I made it through the fire. That fire was hot. And basically, I'm just trying things new this year, and I'm going to hopefully, have a better year and feel better and do better and be happier and all of that jazz. So I also wanted to talk about my year on this beautiful platform called YouTubies. Your girl has been here on I could speak. Okay. I don't even having a stroke. What was that? But anyways, I've been on this platform for a year. I'm using my Juvia's Face foundation in the color Tanzania. It's literally almost gone. Don't come for me because I haven't been to Ulta yet, so I gotta get my Ulta on. But anyways, been a year on this platform, and literally it's been a lot of trial and error, ups and downs, just trying to figure out what I want to do, how I want to build a platform more. I haven't been able to post as much as I initially stated, but that's okay because I've been transitioning from jobs. I had been on a job for 5 years, and one day I decided to leave it. It was a spontaneous decision, but something that needed to happen because I was very much not happy where I was at. And so, I was taking time off, figuring myself out, figuring out what I want to do for my next steps, because I really did not plan. Your girl was just see ya one day, and then I was like, shit, I ain't got no job. That means I ain't got no monies. And not having monies is not good. So basically, I've been just on my hustle tip, and I finally found something that I really like, and I'm happy. I'm finally happy. I'm feeling not strained or feeling stressed out, or feeling like I can finally breathe. I don't want to talk too much crap on my last job because I just don't want to be that girl. Yeah, it was a lot. It was a lot to go through. Let me get this neck because I feel like my face is now much darker than my neck. Whatever, we're gonna go with it because I need to get ready for work. Yeah, I literally am feeling much better, much lighter, feeling much okay, I can do this now. I was just very stressed at my old job. I felt very overwhelmed. I felt like I couldn't breathe. So Yeah, even though I just said I'm not gonna talk too much crap about it, but I just said, but we're gonna move on from that. So your girl's feeling much better, and I'm feeling like, okay, I got this. Sometimes you gotta be your own cheerleader and cheer yourself on, because the world is not going to cheer for you. So you got to cheer your own self on, be your biggest cheerleader, be your biggest advocate, and do what's best for you, and, you know, figure your stuff out. Of course, I'm using Infallible Longwear in the shade Honey. It's like literally almost gonzies, as you could tell, but I usually do like this light color and then like a little lighter color, excuse me, for my concealer. Literally, I was talking about my year on YouTube, and it's been fun. I feel like it's been a fun process, learning how to film, learning editing, becoming more present, building an audience, building subscribers, all that jazz. It has been fun. It's been a little hard. Sometimes you're like, oh, you know, I made this video and no one's watching, or, you know, whatever. You're feeling like kind of down type thing. But at the same time, I have to remember, like, I'm still new. Hello, people don't really know me that much, and I'm just trying to build my audience and trying to make friends on here and talk to you guys and all that, so I can't beat myself up too much. And I generally don't beat myself up, honestly, but I get a little sad when I don't get views or I don't get the likes or whatever, but I'm still doing my thing, still pushing out videos. I'm just really trying to find my niche, find my jazz, and keep pushing out content and not feel like out of myself if I don't get the likes or the watch time or whatever, because I'm doing this for me, and this is something that I've been wanting to do. Like I said, since day one, this is something I've been wanting to do forever. So I ain't gonna let nothing. What is that? Girl. Nothing bring me down, okay? And that's just that on that. And Mary had a little lamb. I bet you didn't think I was gonna say that and spit those bars, but I did. You're welcome. So, my year on YouTube, I feel like I have made a lot of progress. I feel like my videos are getting a little better. My editing style is getting a little better. I'm getting more into my niche. I think this upcoming year, I definitely want to still try to make videos and put them out once a week, or at least every other week. Definitely want to bring some more styling videos. I think that is something that I really enjoy. That's something that I feel like I'm good at. I feel like I have good style. So it's something that I'm into, and something that I've been enjoying, like discovering my new styles and discovering like, hey, you know, I could wear this and wear that. And of course I want to do some looks for my plus size girlies, because yeah, and I want, you know, to be more confident and be someone that people can look up to and be like, oh, you know, she has good style, she has good swag, good fashion or whatever. And I want people to look at me for style choices. So I'm definitely going to step up my styling videos. I think I'm going to do a lot more hauls this year. I've been seeing a lot of Ross hauls and like balling on a budget, like beauty hauls. And I think I'm gonna go like get into that lane as well. I definitely want to, you know, show you guys what I am wearing, rocking, where I got it from, because I think that's also important, like when you're doing styling videos, to also show like where people can get it from, because obviously if I like your look, I'm going to want to get it. So I definitely want to do that, get more styling videos out there, more hauls out there. I want to involve more people. I definitely want to involve more family, definitely involve my mom, do like more makeup challenges on her, or maybe have her dress like me or us get ready together. Definitely want to do more makeup videos. Oh, I got makeup on my hair too. That's what I like. I want to do more makeup videos, more get ready with me, if I can talk, because I think those are super cute, and I love like seeing people get ready, you know, finish from start to finish or whatever. And I forgot that I even put some concealer under my chin. Just get everything sculpted. This is a quick get ready with me, because I have like an hour to get ready for work. But yeah, I definitely want to expand my YouTube channel, really find my niche, really find my audience. And why did I do that? Okay, whatever. I'm gonna blend this out because I don't even know why I did that. Yo. Okay. Definitely expand my brand. I want to get more into shorts too. I feel like I don't utilize that enough, and I feel like I don't really do shorts, and I feel like I want to do it because I want you guys to see more of my personality, see more of my styling videos, my transition. Ooh, I put a lot of blush on. That's okay. My transition videos, you know, transition and looking cute or whatever. And I just want to just be more active on this app. So that is my vow and my plans for this year. You know, if you say my New Year's resolution, definitely just be more active on social media and be more present. Because I got a lot to offer this world. And y'all gonna see me. I'm a star. No, but this year I definitely want to more on my influencer tip. If you don't know, I'm a plus size influencer as well as a model. So I definitely want to post more, be more active on social media as far as Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Pinterest, everything. Just have more of a platform. I'm definitely going into this era of my life as trying everything that I haven't, trying things that would scare me, things that felt like I couldn't do before, anything that I felt like I was holding myself back with. This is the time. This is what I'm gonna do, because I'm not gonna hold myself back anymore. And I definitely just want to be about my dreams, accomplishing my goals, and like I said, being my biggest cheerleader and getting my stuff done. Just being more present on social media. I kind of took a break from all my platforms just because like going through in my normal life, so I need to get back on that and post more. I typically would like to post maybe 3 times a week, like social, like as far as Instagram and TikToks, and then YouTube once a week. I definitely just want fresh content, new content, but also quality content, because I don't want to just be posting anything just to have a post, you know. I want the content to be meaningful, good, and that my subscribers would like to watch, of course, because I care about you guys and I want you, you know, to get to know me and watch my content and, you know, come on this journey with me. So yeah. So I pretty much got lashes and lips done. That's like literally all I need to do to be done, because I'm literally doing like a quick makeup look. Like I said, I'm getting ready for workies, so I don't want to be too over the top just to be working, but I am an over top girly, but you know. And look at these lashes, aren't they so cute? Look, I don't know if you can see. Kind of. They have a colorful and like a little hint of color. That's a hint of yellow on my little yellow lashes for bright, sunny energy, because I'm really focused on energy this year, and I need good energy because I'm a good person. So I need good energy. Girls, I need you to stay. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. So be funny now, girl. Oh, she's being funny. Okay, so she's on See, like I was telling you, it's just like a little hint of color. Very cute. Very, very cute. So just to wrap up this video, this year is all about growth, all about changing, seeing what I can do, and expanding my dreams, and, you know, just following them. And literally just having you guys come along with this journey with me. So if you guys have any suggestions, ideas, thoughts, or whatever, leave it in the comment. And this is the final look, if I didn't say that. So I need to literally skedaddle because I'm about to be late. So thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to leave me a like, subscribe, turn on that notification bell. And until the next video, I love you guys. See you then.